It's raining, so let's see if we can warm this up. I don't think that'll be enough. Let's step it up a notch. It's all cut out. It's dark enough outside. Let's pull the Infinity out and we'll set it on fire. Zach, where are you at? Get in. Let's go pull the car out. Can he do it? Nailed it. Frost in Florida. What's the world coming to? Look at that. What is this, Russia? Well, frost where the sun's hidden is not bad. And Terra looking all heroic with his mud and dirt on it. Yeah, there's my house roof. Alright, well, let's make it official. We're gonna set our channel from Jigsaw Nation to Leah the Russian. Alright, it's done. No more Jigsaw Nation. I think red for Russian should be a good color. Color is appropriate for this hammered. And there we go. There's the 1,000 subscriber play button. Got little rubber feet to match with the hanger. It matches pretty much all my stuff. It matches the car. It matches the Volt Boys. Even matches my bicycle and my cabinets. So we'll go proudly hang it over there. There you go. So thank you guys for watching. It's been a fun journey. We'll keep on grinding stuff out, giving stuff away to neighborhood kids, doing car stuff, cutting out more car and nerdy stuff and whatnot, and try to balance it all to one. I'm not sure if I'm succeeding at it so far, but I don't want to do just car stuff and I don't want to just do woodworking stuff, so we'll figure it out. We'll just do it one video at a time and take it from there. And whenever we're too beat up, we'll just go off-road. Look how good it looks baking out here in the hot Florida sun. Let's open it. Manuel. Okay. And let's see. Alright, as you can see, it's a valuable treasured possession. And there we go. Leah the Russian. 1,000 subscribers. We're a couple months late to this. We're almost coming up on 1,500 now, but got the metallic black background, professionally written on a CNC machine. It's hangable and everything, but at this point, I mean, I don't think anybody else needs it. I don't need it. I don't really have a whole lot of possessions in here and so forth, and I'll let you guys know what's going on. Now, it's been like 40 days since my last video, but hopefully in the next few days I get some time to catch up on my woodworking projects. I got a few Montero tidbits to do, a new cart, but we're gonna go ahead and just throw this away now because we don't need it anymore. And have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go to the beach. Oopsies.